Take me out on Monday, love me like it's Friday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Mojitos on a Tuesday, hit the floor on Wednesday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again.
Come and follow me, I know that place to be, underneath the moonlight, right across the sea. Weekend every day, we'll dance the night away, and nobody can hold us, starting from today.
Mojitos on a Tuesday, hit the floor on Wednesday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Take me out on Monday, love me like it's Friday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Mojitos on a Tuesday, hit the floor on Wednesday, dance until it's Sunday, then do it again. Do it again.
Rifle step forward, and then we're gonna do 2 heel bumps every time with a quarter turn left. So totally will be the half turn. 5. Cross, back, 6. Recover, rocking chair, step, and here bounce your quarter turn left, and another quarter turn left, and then free. Okay, now let's do one more time this time. So start with your right foot. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for the ending, you will finish the dance facing the back wall. So after you are free, you just have a right foot cross, and then with the unwind heel turn left to facing the front wall for ending.